This is the Bolt NFC lock by ULTRALOQ. Designed to work with Apple HomeKit, it's easy to forget something. But with ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC, you can leave your worries behind.
Hey Siri, lock the front door.
And when life gets busy, the ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC is there for you, allowing you to control your lock from anywhere with the U-tec app. Got your hands full? Unlock with the home key on your Apple Watch. Customize access for family, friends, and trusted guests with our U-tec mobile app. And with the auto lock feature, you can feel comfortable knowing your home is always secure. Stay connected and in control with our mobile app. Get notifications and more, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Bolt NFC works well with all popular smart home platforms. ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC is easy to install. The anti-peep feature allows you to keep your door codes safe by hiding them in a string of numbers. Apple Home Key, app, code, backup key, or key card. ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC gives you choices. Upgrade your fortress with ULTRALOQ Bolt NFC.